Hello everybody, it's Gary from Apple Air Filtration Systems here. Today we're going to go through the process of showing you how to replace a power supply. So if you need to do that yourself, this video will help you through that process. First thing is you must pull the power cable out, okay? Turning it off at the wall is not enough. You need to remove the power cable. So that's the first thing. Then the next thing you're going to do is, this is your power supply here. And there's two cables that go down the side, come down here, and then one comes up here, one comes down here. So we're going to just undo people. So undo our two screws and we remove this off. Remove this off. Remember the black one goes up to the top, always to the top. And we come up here and we simply pull these up, the top here, like this. And we pull the second one up. So now we have our two leads here hanging out of the back of this. Then on the other side, and they're all the same, we pull this out. Okay, so it's loose. And then we remove our power cable to our controller. So now everything is free. So next I'm going to undo the two screws here, take them off. And then these two here, just loosen them off, and then the power supply will slide to the right hand side. Okay, so now I'm going to remove these two screws here. There's one. I'll undo this one here. So now our two screws are loose. So on this side here, I'm just going to loosen off these two because they're slotted. So we'll loosen that a little bit. And then we'll loosen this one here a little bit. So now this will just slide out and the power supply unit comes away. Okay. And then we're just going to put it back in the reverse order. Okay, so here's our new power supply and it's ready to go in. So it's very simple. So here we've got this plug here and this one here. We're actually going to remove that because on the machine up here, you see that that's a plug from the old power supply, and that's the data cable and the feed cable to the controller. So that's going to go in here. You don't need to worry about these dip switch settings. They're for a completely different type of system. They can be in any location at all. So now I'm just going to put that in. So they're slotted. So we're just going to bring this up into here. And push them in there. And then we simply put these ones back in here. So they're in now. I'm just going to nip up these ones because I loosened them off earlier. So they're nice and tight. Okay, so the power supply is now in. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to plug our power back in here. And he just goes into this location here. So he's in there, nice and firm. And then we put in our little cable into here. Make sure it's pressed in. Now he can only go in one place. Okay, so he goes in there. That's in nice and firm. And so next we're going to feed these cables down the back. So there he is there. So we just feed that down through. So he's sitting in there nicely. And then we'll get our black cable and we'll put him in here and push him down. He's going to come out down here as well. And there he is there, I can feel him. So now we've got our black and we've got our white. So our black one, we're going to put onto here. Let's put on our screw. And it would pay to give this a wash while you've got it apart. And remember, you should wash them probably once a month. So I'm just going to put this in now. I'm going to pull this up the top here so that there's no pressure on the bottom. So if you have a look at this bottom one now, it's got a nice loop, goes up to the side and goes up in there. This is on nice and firm. And then my white lead, I'm going to pull that up as well, put him on in here. Put him on nice and firm. So you see that's nice and neat sitting in there. This is sitting up in here, nice and neat. So just to double check, I've got my power coming in, my cable's correct, everything looks good. So now we can go around and plug our power. Like so. So that's the last thing we do. Close up the unit, and then when I turn on my E-stat unit, should all be working perfectly, and it's working perfectly. So the job's done, and the old power supply can be disposed of in a safe way. Thank you for watching. Any questions, please email support@applelair.com.au, call 1300 311 411, or email me Gary@applelair.com.au. Thank you.